Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find a name of a song from YouTube short videos. Okay, first thing first, you have to download an app called Shazam on App Store, just like what I'm doing right now. Then after you download it, for it to be easily accessible, go to your settings app, then scroll down and go to your control center and make sure the app that we download is here. Then let's go easily to YouTube and go to our reels. Then let's just try this video. Then scroll down and press the logo of the app like this. Then it will do the do. You can try it on the other apps too, such as TikTok, Facebook, anything that you want. Even if you hear it on your friend's car or other places, you can just tap on the logo like we did. Then voila, the song is there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.